Hey guys, we are back again with a new exciting video. Today in this video tutorial we're gonna learn how we can exploit Windows 10 and bypass Windows Defender or any other antivirus or anti-spyware running on it. Most of the antivirus will only scan executables, DLLs, Word document, Java applets, and you know all that which may contain payload or spyware. But antivirus ignores other formats such as images or other harmless file type. What we're gonna do is creating a MSF Venom raw payload and we'll extract shellcode from it. And next we're gonna embed that shellcode inside the image. After that we have a malicious image with shellcode inside. We're gonna place this malicious image on our server. And the last step is generating a PowerShell command that will download the image from our server and execute the image as a shellcode on a victim machine. Whenever the victim runs the PowerShell command, it will download the malicious image and execute it as a shellcode, and we got a meterpreter shell in our machine. For this method, we will use DKMC script, which is a Python script. This will automate all of our process. Let's create a MSF Venom raw payload of Windows meterpreter reverse TCP. I'm performing it on in our local host. You can also perform it on out of the network. You can set any port here. I'm setting it on 444. Dash F and format, the format is in raw, and dash O, output file name will be the any name. I'm setting it as a payload. So our payload is created now. Let's go to the directory and move it on desktop. As you can see, this is my raw payload. So clear this out. Okay, so let's set up a listener for this. So let's quickly fire up the MSF console for this payload. I'm use exploit multi/slash handler. Set payload Windows meterpreters and reverse TCP. Show options. We have to set up our lhost. Lport is also already set at 24444. Okay, my lhost is also set now. So let's click on exploit. Exploit has been started. So let's download the script from the GitHub. Go to google.com and type DKMC. So the first link here is a "don't kill my cat" is the full form of that. So click on that and download that script. Click clone or download and copy that code. Git clone. You have to open a new terminal here. So to download it, git. So let's come into the desktop again. Git clone and paste it here what we have copied. So the download has been completed. So let's go to that directory cd dkmz ls. As you can see, there is a Python script called dkmc.py. We have to run that dkmc.py, python dkmc.py. As you can see, dkmc has been started. First of all, we have to extract a shellcode from our MSF Venom raw payload. So we have to type sc here and we have to set a current variable value source. We have to specify a payload location here. My payload is in the desktop. So I'll type root desktop and my payload name, and that's it, and hit enter. And type run. It will give you a shellcode of our MSF Venom payload. Copy that shellcode data and type exit. And now we have to type gen. Here we have to specify shellcode here. Type set shellcode and paste it over here, what we have copied. We also have to set up output here. It will gonna embed this shellcode inside the image. As you can see, source is in a sample directory which contain an image, and output is set to output directory. Okay, let me show you this sample directory. Here is our image, which is in a BMP format. You can also replace with your image in a sample directory. Okay, let's go to the output directory. Here our output malicious image will be generated, which contain our payload shellcode. Okay, so type set output and output directory slash an output file name. The I am setting it as a cat.vmp. That's it, and type run. And so the malicious image with shellcode embedded in it has been generated. So let's see where is our malicious image. Here in the output directory, here is our malicious image which contain our payload shellcode inside embedded in it. Okay, let's get back and type exit. Now the third step is type ps to generate a PowerShell command that will download the malicious image from our server and run it on victim computer. Here we have to set up a URL of our server from which the image has to be downloaded. So type set URL. I am performing it on a local network. That's why I type my Apache address and slash cat.bmp. That is our malicious image. So the URL has been set, and type run. You will got a PowerShell command copy that PowerShell code and open in text editor and paste it over there and save it as a batch file. And the last step would be the starting our web server that will host our malicious image. Type web and press enter. Here you can also set the port according to your web server, and also the folder location is correct. You can also change it according to your need. I just simply type run and it will start a web server. Now we are done with this part. Now we have to social engineer the victim to run this batch file, or you can embed this PowerShell code to a USB rubber ducky. It's up to you how you deliver it. I just transfer it to my Windows 10, which has Windows Defender activated and running. I just transfer it to my Windows 10. Let's execute the batch file, and that's it. Okay, here we go. In our Kali machine, we got a meterpreter shell. We successfully spawn a meterpreter shell by an image. Thank you guys for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and also explore our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thank you guys.